Hello everyone. Today's topic is Newton's third law of motion. According to the Newton's third law of motion, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Here action and reaction means force. When an object A apply a force on object B, according to this Newton's third law of motion, the B exert an equal amount of force on A, but the direction of the force is in opposite direction. And also these forces um, acts on different objects. They are not on the same objects, they are on the different object, and the magnitude of the force are equal. Force 1 is equal to force 2, but it is not necessary that the acceleration due to this force are equal. But the acceleration these forces produce may not be equal because of the difference in the masses of the two objects. Let us understand this with some examples. What happens when a person starts walking? When a person at rest starts walking, he pushes the ground or the road backward with his feet. And in the reaction, the road pushes or apply a force on the person's feet in the forward direction. So the person move forward. Here the Newton's third law of motion apply. When you kick a ball or throw a ball to a wall, what happens? The ball come backward. Okay. After hitting the wall, it come backward because the wall also exert the force on the ball, the same amount of force on the wall. So here for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. This is Newton's third law of motion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.